What's up? Today we're going to be doing an awesome computer build. Let me show you the price, why not? I added it all up. Oh yeah, pink sheep. It's $1,358.26. But with the discounts I found, it's going to be $956.67. Great deal. So we're starting off with an AMD A10 series APU. It's the A10 7850K socket AM2 Plus, FM2 Plus. It's $202.47 on sale for $124.99. Great deal. Next, we're going to go with an MSI Computer Corporation ATX DDR3 2400 motherboard. It's a A88X G45 gaming motherboard. It's $197 on sale for $138.88. Great deal. Next, we're going to have to go with a graphics card. We're going to go with the XFX Double D R9 280 graphics card. Great graphics card for the price. Next, for RAM, we're going to go with a Corsair Vengeance Pro. 16 gigabytes of it. It has a great deal. It's $227 on sale for $123. Tell me that's not a good deal. Next, we have to go with the power supply. Now, Corsair has really good quality power supplies. That's why we went with them, because we do not go cheap. So you can see the price there. Great deal. Next, we're going to go with an SSD for games and our operating system. Now, this is going to be a gaming computer that does everything all around, like video editing and rendering, all of that. So here's the price for 250 gigs of Samsung SSD. Next, we're going to go with a computer case. The Cinti has a front panel 3.0, and just great all-around case. Next, we're gonna go with an aftermarket cooler. So it's an AMD, obviously, so it'll fit our motherboard. And then, last but not least, here is our hard drive. Better than the blue, we're going with the green. $130 on sale for $73.99 for 2 terabytes. And that's the Western Digital Green 2 terabyte. So guys, that's about it. See you all next time. Peace.